The talk on the street, panic selling has gripped Dalal Street, leaving investors jittery amid escalating geopolitical tensions. Our call of the day: storm clouds are hover over Dalal Street as the conflict with Iran is stoking worries about higher inflation and even higher interest rates. Blame it on rising oil prices, which are flirting with the $100 a barrel mark. As per the latest, the US President Donald Trump has said that he is not prepared to reach a deal with Iran to end the war and also urged countries to send warships to help secure Strait of Hormuz. As of writing, at least 16 vessels have been attacked in and around the Persian Gulf, the Strait of Hormuz and the Gulf of Oman since the conflict began 28 February. Reports suggest the Strait of Hormuz could take weeks, possibly months, to fully reopen, keeping global energy markets on edge. Tough times continue for investors as on backdrop of higher oil prices are 1. Concerns of hawkish Federal Reserve and RBI. 2. Concerns of Indian rupee weakening against 90 to US dollars and 43 cents per USD. 3. Concerns that economies will slow. 4. Concerns of uninspiring corporate India Inc. earnings. 5. Concerns of relentless FII selling with FY26 outflows swelling to 2,72,478 crore rupees. Long story short, brace for volatility, volatility and volatility. Caution should be the buzzword as when crude oil spikes again, macro risks shall multiply. Market trends. The global cues are negative. In Friday's bearish session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 10717 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 9977 crores. Sentiments are likely to stay bearish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals indicate massive breakdown play. Fano March month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,500 and 24,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has again spiked towards 22.64 levels. At last check, USD INR, March, had shot higher towards 92.43 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th March, is at 1.05 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th February, is at 0.77. Nifty outlook. The Nifty 50 charts appear decisively bearish, marked by broken trend lines, a classic head and shoulders formation, a looming death cross, and a sharp plunge in relative strength. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 3151. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 22,921 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 23,501 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 22,900 and 23400. Bias for the day is negative. Sensex, CMP 74564. Biggest support for Sensex is placed only at 73,901 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 76,000 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 74,000 to 75,300. Bias for the day is negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 53758. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 53,000 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 55,700 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 53,000 and 55,000. Bias for the day is negative. Stock market news. Market mood. Bears are likely to remain in command as talk on the street suggests oil prices could surge toward $150, a level that could push the US and other major economies into recession. Inflation worries, stoked by surging oil prices, aren't the only thing troubling Nifty bulls. It's also the panic selling by the FII's camp. Please note, FII selling, already around 56,883 crore rupees in March, continue to rattle bulls in the Nifty 50. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Kalpataru, plus 1.3%, 303 rupees and 45 paise. Kalpataru rallied on Friday after the company announced the signing of a redevelopment project at a prime location in Andheri West, with gross development value, GDV, of 1,400 crore rupees. 2. Avenue Supermarts, minus 3%, 3,834 rupees. Avenue Supermarts too fell despite the company announcing the opening of 2 new stores in Bavdhan, Pune in Maharashtra and Chilkalurupeta in Palnadu district of Andhra Pradesh. 2. Gravita, minus 5.53%, 1,420 rupees. Gravita India slipped after the company said that it has signed definitive agreements for acquisition of 98.95% stake of Rashtriya Metal Industries, RMIL, for a total consideration of 559.08 crore rupees.